Hello everyone, this is the next video for the chapter The Bed. In the last video you have studied till this line. Mr. Fogg ordered Passepartout finally reached Liverpool, England at 11:40 am on 21st December. Till this line we have read. Now let's see. There are only 6 hours away from London and from winning the bet. Now finally they have reached at Liverpool, England, and they have to only complete their journey for 6 hours to win the bet. All this time Mr. Fix was also following Mr. Fogg. Mr. Fix was also following this man. He is waiting to get into British soil to arrest Mr. Fogg, and he does so in Liverpool. At that time Mr. Fix, the detective, was waiting to get into a British soil to arrest Mr. Fogg. Poor Mr. Fogg is put into jail and his hopes of winning the bet come crashing down soon. और उस समय यही सोच रहा था कि पुअर मिस्टर फॉग को उठाकर जेल, लिवरपूल के जेल में डाल देंगे और फिर जल्द ही वो जेल में चले जाएंगे और उनकी जो बेट जीतने की जो होप्स हैं वो सब ख़त्म हो जाएंगे. Soon it's clear that Mr. Fix has made a mistake. However, is it now too late to win the bet? But very soon it was clear that a mistake was done by Mr. Fix. It was now late to win the bet. Scene 5. Mr. Fogg and Aouda look very sad and dejected. मिस्टर फॉग और आउडा जो थे, लेडीज आउडा, दोनों बहुत ही सैड थे, डिजेक्टेड थे, निराश थे. मिस्टर फॉग, आई एम सो सॉरी, इट इज़ नाउ टू लेट टू रीच द क्लब इन टाइम टू विन द बेट. आई एम ए पुअर मैन आउडा, but I welcome you to my house. Mr. Fogg said that he is so sorry to reach the club in time to win the bet, and he also said Aouda that he is a poor man, but he heartily welcomes her at his house. Passepartout rushing into the room. Mr. Fogg, we must hurry. तो ये Passepartout काफ़ी तेज़ी से रूम में आता है और कहता है कि हमें बहुत ही शीघ्रता से यहाँ निकलना चाहिए. मिस्टर फॉग पूछते हैं व्हाट इज़ द मैटर, आखिर बात क्या है. पासरपाटू बताता है आई हैव जस्ट फाउंड आउट टुडे सैटरडे, मुझे अभी तुरंत पता चला है कि आज सैटरडे है. मिस्टर फॉग, सैटरडे इम्पॉसिबल, सैटरडे कैसे हो गए. पासरपाटू बताया यस यस यू हैव मेड अ मिस्टेक ऑफ one day. We arrived 24 hours ahead of time. पासरपाटू बताता है कि आपने एक मिस्टेक एक दिन का कर दिया है. हम 24 आवर्स पहले ही यहाँ पहुँच चुके हैं. मिस्टर फॉग, हाउ डिड दैट हैपन, ये कैसे हो गया. आई वॉज क्वाइट श्योर इट इज संडे, मुझे श्योर है कि ये संडे है. Aouda, never mind that now, let's hurry. We should not mind here. Let's hurry, हमें जल्दी निकलना चाहिए. Passepartout then seizes his master's hand, they rush out. और फिर पासरपटु अपने मास्टर का हैंड पकड़ता है और फिर वहाँ से हरीडली निकल पड़ते हैं। तो दिस वाज द स्टोरी सीन नंबर 5. Passepartout finally reminded him that they are not late, they are one day before there, and very soon they will at the particular place. Next scene number 6. It is 8:20 p.m. on 21st December 1872. Now on 21st December 1872 at 8:20 p.m. there are 4 gentlemen standing near the card table in the card room at the Reform Club. 4 gentlemen were also present in the card room at Reform Club. These are the men who made the bet with Mr. Fogg. और इन्हीं लोगों ने मिस्टर फॉग से बेट लगाया था. They are bankers John Sullivan and Samuel Fallentin, Andrew Stuart, an engineer, and Godier Roth, the director of the Bank of England. These are the people who belong to these professions, and here Mr. Roth was the director of the Bank of England. All of them are looking at the clock, which shows 20 minutes past 8. उनमें से सभी लोग लुकिंग एट द क्लॉक, घड़ी को देख रहे थे जो शोज 20 मिनट्स 8 past 8, जो 20 minutes past 8 को शो कर रही थी. One man enters the room briskly, very rapidly. One man enters in the room. This is Thomas Flanagan, a brewer. Then the man who entered in the room was Thomas Flanagan. He was brewer for them. Brewer means a man who makes a drink from barley. A man who makes drink from barley is known as brewer. Mr. Stuart getting up from his chair and walking towards the clock. Then the another gentleman, Mr. Stuart, was getting up from chair and he was walking towards the clock. Well, gentlemen, in 25 minutes the time agreed upon between Mr. Fogg and ourselves would have passed, and we will know if Fogg has won or lost. He said, "Gentlemen, within 25 minutes the time will be clear, and this bet will be also finalized that Mr. Fogg and ourselves who would have passed, who will on and who will lost, everything will be clear within 25 minutes." This was the announcement of Mr. Stuart at that moment. Okay, Mr. Flanagan, what time did the last train arrive from Liverpool? Mr. Flanagan पूछते हैं लिवरपूल से आने का लास्ट ट्रेन की टाइमिंग क्या है? मिस्टर रॉफ बताते हैं at 23 minutes past 7, and the next one doesn't get here till 10 past 12. Means the timing was of the train was 23 minutes past 7. First time train timing and second timing train was till 10 past 12. 10 past 12. Mr. Stewart, well, gentlemen, if Phileas Fogg had come in by the 7:23 train, he would have got here by now. You can therefore consider the bet as won. मिस्टर स्टुअर्ट बताते हैं, जेंटलमैन, अगर फिलिया फॉग अगर यहाँ 7:23 के ट्रेन से अगर यहाँ पे आ जाते, 7:23 के ट्रेन से अगर यहाँ पर वो आ जाते तो वो यहाँ पर होते और हम लोग उन्हें बेट का विनर समझ लिए होते. दिस वाज द announcement of Mr. Stewart at that time. Now I am going to check this video at this point, and in the next video we'll proceed from Mr. Valentin. Let's not be too hasty. Okay, students, you will see the video to revise the explained portion so that it could be clear to all of you. Goodbye.